Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. I am great. So, I have brought you all a recipe of we can say pitla. In Maharashtra, we usually call it pitla. It is actually besan flour, a chick pie curry. We can say besan curry or chick pie curry. It is an alternative of dal. Whenever we feel bored to cook, this is a very fastest making curry, we can say, and tastes very well too. So come on, let's try it out. So in a kadai, I have just added 2 or 3 small spoons of oil. In that, I have added mustard seeds, jeera, and all the chopped vegetables. As you people can see, slit 2 chilies. As per spice, you can adjust the taste, and 2 pieces of two finely chopped onions, and garlic, and curry leaves, tomato. This is all whatever goes in tadka, and with that we have to add a pinch of hing, and then turmeric, chili powder, Kashmiri lal mirch a little, and then coriander powder as per your taste. Then allow it to cook. Okay, just as you can see, I'm just slightly um, frying it up. Okay, and until and unless it gets fried and mixed up well, just leave it. Add all the dry masalas, and just stir it and close the lid. I'm going on doing as you people can see, I'm just making a stir and just allowing it to cook, and I'm adding all the dry masala powder which I've already mentioned. So have a look. And I want to add one more thing here. If you have a rock salt, that is called kala namak, I guess, black salt, you people can add a pinch of it and let me know the taste. It tastes awesome, believe me. So enjoy the. So look up to the process I'm just doing. Have a look, and I'll come up again.
Wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters.
Now here I have added all the masalas, all the chopped veggies, and then fried it up and closed the lid. Then in a side, a small bowl, I have mixed 2 to 3 spoons. I have taken 2 to 3 spoons of besan powder, and then added a water as per consistency I need. And then we have to see the paste is smooth. Okay, we don't want any lumps into it, so the paste is very smooth. As you can see, I've already prepared the mixture, and then to the tadka I have added this besan flour and water, which I have already prepared and kept. Okay, just take a mix it well, and then add water as per your consistency, and finally add a pinch of lemon and lemon juice, and then add lots of chopped coriander leaves, and allow it to cook. Close the lid and allow it to cook.
Such a clown, but I've I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah?
Now that it is already cooked well, I have opened the lid and checked. So it is already cooked well. I am adding a fresh coriander leaves into it, and it's absolutely ready to serve and taste. So do try it out in your house. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how it tastes. Okay, so I think everyone has their own way of cooking a variety of dishes. This is my version of cooking besan curry, and I hope you all enjoyed my video. And don't forget to add a spoon of desi ghee into it. It tastes really well. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe and support me for more videos. Thank you. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.